Hello, this is George Thuravothagul, and I'm here to tell you about the Technical Consortium on High Performance Computing's new software engineering initiative. Let me first start by telling you a bit about TCHBC, and then I'll tell you about the initiative. The IEEE Computer Society Technical Consortium on High Performance Computing advances and coordinates the work in the field of high performance computing, networking, storage, analysis concepts, technologies, and applications. The Software Engineering Initiative aims to identify and embrace the best practices in software engineering to ensure robust HPC solutions. As many people may have varying degrees of familiarity with software engineering, I want to say a little bit about how this term is defined. Software engineering is the establishment and use of software engineering principles in order to obtain economical software that is reliable and works efficiently on real machines. The application of a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software, that is, the application of engineering to software. More importantly, this does not limit us to just thinking about software process and methodology. It is also about the study of approaches to software engineering as defined above. In a position paper, Jeff Carver and I spoke about some practices that work when it comes to the application of software engineering to scientific domains, which also includes many HPC researchers and work they do. These practices include source code management, wikis and documentation tools, issue tracking and bug reporting, testing, automatic builds, sometimes known as configuration management, and project management. For more details, you can actually read our position paper from WSSSPE. Some possible trajectories for this initiative include the following, but these are just a starting point, and hopefully discussion in the Slack channel will help us to finalize the list of possibilities. Coordinating related initiatives, referencing, that is, how do we go about publishing work in this area? Advocacy, especially for the importance of software engineering. Conferences and workshops, community reports, and curation of or collection of resources. So if you're interested in getting involved in this initiative, we're very much in the formative stages, and all are welcome to join the TCHBC Slack, in which we maintain an actual SE channel. So if you do want to join this, we just ask that you please provide us with your name and affiliation, just what you're doing in your job, a simple title or statement will do, and a web page or link to your professional profile. And please do try to use this subject if you can, as I do get a lot of email. This is just a collection of some related efforts. Jeff, Neil, and I actually recently released an edited book related to software engineering for science. Many of the chapters do actually come from people doing HPC-related research. There's the SE for Science Workshop series. There's the Software Sustainability Institute. And you can also get the free chapter of our book online. I'll just close with this photo of Margaret Hamilton, who actually was responsible for coining the term software engineering. And the most important thing to understand is that she was interested in pragmatically applying emerging software engineering principles, which she coined, as I mentioned herself, to getting us to the moon. And many of the things we do in HPC are also, in one way or another, mission critical and affect a lot of lives. So there's reason to believe that SE can make a difference. So thank you for your time, and I'm sorry I cannot join you at SC this year.